Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I am a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, SEO consultant, and owner of a Google partner company. So today, let's get started on the question I have, and the question I have is Google Ads sending traffic outside of my geographic location. Hi everyone, I'm wondering if anyone else is having the same problem I'm encountering with Google Ads sending me traffic from outside my geographic location. Despite targeting parameters restricting targeting to only people who are frequently in my geolocation and excluding people who may have an interest in my geolocation, this geo-targeting is set at the campaign level. My client serves only residents of the US state of Minnesota, if I'm pronouncing correctly. But despite my targeting, excluding anyone who lives or has an interest in any other state or country, Google Ads is still driving traffic from other US states and countries. To the extent that we are seeing fees from taxing authorities from countries like India and Italy. Over time, the traffic from outside Minnesota at first started negligibly and small enough that I could hand eating the wasted spend, but it continued to grow to the point where came to the point where non-Minnesota traffic was the preponderance of the clicks we were getting from our campaigns. So here you are trying to say that the traffic from outside of your targeted location eventually cross the traffic from your targeted location. I spent far too much time and far too many sessions trying to resolve this with Google reps to the point that they ended up ghosting me because they didn't have an answer. I ended up closing the account and creating a new Google Ads account in hope that I would solve the problem. But now I'm seeing the same dynamic playing out on the new account. So lastly, this is one wrinkle that may have something to do with confusing Google Ads system. The client brand name is the same as another country. While we do get organic traffic from Google search as a result, we do not get Google traffic from that country. I have not to run into this problem on any of other Google Ads account I manage where we have similar geo-targeting parameters. Do you have any insights into what may be happening here or have had a similar experience? Okay, that was a long question. So sad to hear about this, that you are getting traffic from outside of your targeted location. I have few ideas which you can use to sort it out, and then I'm going to suggest you a few strategies as well. So you have to stay with me and let me open one of my Google Ads account to show you what we can do on it. Okay, so this is one of the Google Ads account, and I have few strategies which you can use. So let's say we are in the campaign, and here we go into the settings of the campaign, and then on the campaign side, while it gets loaded, so you have to be patient with me on this, and I hope it takes a second or two, or let me refresh it. Okay, here you can see the location. Okay, the first thing which I recommend is have this one selected, presence people or in regularly in your targeted location. If you select this one, there are huge chances that people outside of your targeted states can come in. But if you select this one, this can decrease the chances. Okay, now because you have said that you got traffic from India, other countries as well, so what you can do is you can simply add India as exclude, so that any people from India cannot visit it. Okay, while you can see over here what will suggest me over Let me see, because it was a long question, and thanks, you were brief enough to explain on this. Like India or Italy, you can also select Italy. Okay, you can also select it as exclude. Okay, now you can also include, for instance, you were targeting Minnesota. Okay, okay, now because you are targeting this one, okay, you can even do radius targeting. But even then, what you can do as well, for instance, if there are any closed states to it, you can simply exclude those states. For instance, if I search on United States, I'm going to see a lot of states. So what I have to do is I just have to Wikipedia all of the states in US and just have to simply exclude all the states, which I am not targeting, or from which I do not want to get any traffic. So the excluding function over here can help me in setting up my targeted traffic. Still, if you encounter any issue like this, you are saying with these things as well, then there are few things as well. Okay, okay, for these answers, what you can simply do is that you can install a click tracker, analytics tracker, which can determine, and then we can do IP to IP block. And there is another tool as well, which is with the name of click guard, and you can also find click guard. Let me show you at this as well, is over here, that this is one of the very good click guard traffic controlling software. It can also help you in covering out fraudulent clicks. If there are any competitors clicking on your ad, it can also help you with that as well. In case if you want click guard, the link is in the description of this video on how you can use it. So I hope this can solve your issue. This is one of the very good and recommended. You can see the reviews, amazing reviews, 4.7 out of 5, 4.9 out of 5, and this can help you in actually blocking those IPs from which your traffic is coming. So I hope it answers your question. So in case if you need Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, or SEO or web development services, the details are in the description of this video if you want to work with me and my team. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope it answers your question as well. Take care and bye bye.